I know you were expecting finally some video with tips or some creative stuff, but I was thinking about one thing and today I want to talk about it. Is it still worth to create tutorial videos about streaming in 2022? What's up everyone, Wilo is here and today I want to talk about stuff that I was thinking about for several days. Is it still worth to create tutorial videos about streaming? And the simple answer is yes, it is. And we can roll the end screen here, but let me expand the stuff. Lately, I've seen a lot of videos about streaming gear and basically those are tutorials too, but I think there is a lack of tips and tricks for new streamers. Also, my budget is low to buy new gear every week and review it for you, but we can still do a hell lot of stuff different without gadget. I can talk about overlays and alerts and plugins and thousands of other things with which you can level up your stream game. There are still a tons of plugins you can add to your OBS and make your stream more engaging. And I think it could be great for you that I will try them for you and show you how to work with them. Or create some stuff for you that you can enjoy. I don't think we need here tutorials how to set your OBS because there is a lot of them on YouTube. Maybe I should dive deeper in a specific niche, something that there is not a lot of stuff on the internet, something specific. So I hope that you will enjoy it as much as I do. Oh, and one more thing. Probably you can hear that I'm not a native speaker, so let me know in the comments if you can understand me or should I put an extra effort and create subtitles like this. And that will be it for today. I hope you enjoy and will follow me on my road. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.